Hey y'all, so today's video is going to be a unboxing video for a company called Glf Cosmetics, and I'm really excited because I've been waiting so long to receive this palette. Actually, it wasn't that long. I pre-ordered it in June and it shipped on July 20th, and I got it today, which is Thursday, the week after it shipped. So I actually got it pretty fast after the ship date, but yeah, so I'm gonna do an unboxing video for that palette today, and I may do a few swatches for you guys, so stay tuned. So like I said, this palette did ship out on the 20th of July, and I received it today, which is the 26th. This palette was purchased with my own money. It was not sent to me, so I'm not being paid for any of it. Whatever I tell you guys about any item will always be my honest opinion, whether I'm being paid for it or not. So this palette is the Princesa Azteca palette, and it just came in a white box. So I'm gonna grab some scissors and get this open so I can show you guys what it looks like. So I have it open, and this is the first thing I see. Yeah, I'm so excited. Okay, this is the first thing that I see. Yeah, I'm gonna cry. So the note card reads, "We are sorry you had to wait so long for the Princesa Azteca palette. As noted, the palette was going to be shipped on 7/20, which it was. And it says, now that you received it, we hope you love it and it was worth the wait. Thank you so much." Alright, so this is it. Alright, so this is what the box looks like, and I'm so happy. 30 color eyeshadow palettes. So before I even open the box, something I want to point out is, I don't know if you guys pay any attention, but on the back of most of your makeup products, it should tell you how long the makeup is good for, and theirs is good for 36 months. That's the longest I've ever seen something good for, like makeup good for, and also it's cruelty free, so that's good too. Alright, so the actual palette has the same picture on it, and so the palette itself looks exactly like the box. It's the same thing on the back. Their design is really cute too, and it also has the little Glf Cosmetics thing. And if the owners of this business just happen to watch this video, I draw, so if y'all need me to design another palette or something, just let me know, you know. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna open this together. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my. So I apologize for my lights, but this is what it looks like. If you got a little bit of fallout over here, but I'm pretty sure it just happened during shipping, but yeah. Alright, so here it is. It's so freaking, yeah, I gotta do some swatches. I have to. But I'm not really crazy over shimmery eyeshadows. I'm more like a matte type of person. But I'll do some swatches, and I'm just gonna go straight across. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce these names because, yeah, I can't even see them. I'm not gonna try to pronounce these names because, yeah, impossible. So I'm gonna give you guys a review on it after I've done a look with it. I really want to try this pink though, because literally every pink that I've used has stained my eyelids, and I'm not trying to say there's a wheel, but I just want to know. So we're gonna try it, but I'm gonna begin on the swatches. Yeah, their shimmery eyeshadows are really cute. So this is the first row. I feel like it looks kind of whitewashed. But yeah, that's the first row. So now we're moving to the second. these are the first 2 rows. So moving to the 3rd row. Oh my gosh, this color is gorgeous. And I ain't even swatched it yet. So now for the 4th row. This one's called, I want to say Tupac so bad. Their shimmers are the best shimmers that I've ever seen. Yeah, I'm sorry, this looks so sloppy, but so these are the first 2 rows. And then the 2nd and 3rd row. So I'm gonna try to fit the last row in here. See how that goes. Yep, that's a look right there. That's a whole look. This is the last row. So that was the Princesa Azteca palette by Glf Cosmetics. You can find them on Instagram at Glf Cosmetics. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And also be expecting a how-to highlight and contour video from me soon. And I will see you then.